Good morning, everybody. Today we're gonna be plasti dipping my rims on the G35. So today I took off the back rim already. I have it right here set on the table. We're gonna clean it off real nice, get everything clean, degrease it, everything needed before we apply the paint. So I got white. I think it's gonna look dope because I have some other future plans to wrap this car, so it's gonna look clean with this. I just wanted to give you guys like a little rundown on the car. So there's not too much done to it. Really, mostly cosmetic things. The only thing performance-wise is a cold air intake. But besides that, carbon fiber wrapped the hood, little stickers or whatever, blacked out the tail lights, carbon fiber wrapped the trunk, lowered it by around 2 inches. That's really it. That's all that we have done. Today, we're about to paint all 4 rims white. So one of the things that I realized is I have a lot of like stuff that needs to get scraped off on each side. So I definitely can't paint with all that stuff there. So I'm gonna have to go back now and like scrape it all off. And then after that, I'll go over it one more time with soap and water. And then after that, we can paint. Yo, I'm hella excited. It's all clean and now we're about to paint it. I can't wait to see what it looks like. Cleaning the first wheel, I realized I should probably just take off the next one and clean it at the same time. So let's do it. real quick, before I keep going, I think I'm gonna open up a tarp out here because it's just way too hot. I saw somebody on Instagram do this, so I'm gonna try it out. I just thought about it. I might just go to AutoZone right now because while this dries, I can go buy some of the glossy top coat, and that's gonna look real nice on this because it's like a matte finish right now, and I want it to have like a little bit of a shine. So let's go. So just got home, picked up a glossifier and another can of paint. So earlier before I left, I had painted this one, and I went ahead and painted that one as well. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit both of them with the glossifier. I gotta read like how to do it and whatever, but I'm gonna hit this one, that one, let them dry, and then we're gonna see what they look like on the car. I'm gonna back the car in, we're gonna take off the other two wheels, redo the entire process, and then we're gonna see what the car looks like. So let's do it. I'm not gonna lie, I don't see a difference, bro. Like, maybe it needs to... Maybe I need to put more? Bruh, what in the world? It got all type of dust on it. I ain't going out like this, bro. Alright, we'll be back in a little bit. I'm gonna let these dry. I'm gonna go inside, have something to drink because it's mad hot. But when we get back outside, we're gonna put these on the car. I'm hyped to see what it looks like. I'm so happy. Alright, we'll be back. Back outside, one episode of Friends later. These are looking great. I still don't see the gloss that comes from this, but I mean, I might give it another coat. I might not. Nah. I'm not gonna give it another coat. I think I'm ready to just take everything off, put them on the car and see how it looks. So let's do it. Shit. This is looking dope. Yes, sir. Show it up for y'all guys. Bam. Okay, so the next one. I'm gonna try to get like a better shot for y'all. Hold on, like more of a satisfying reaction out of it. There we go. That's a big difference from before. Hold on. Dang, I like it. I messed up, I got paint all over, but that's fine. These are looking dope. Like an over top view. These are looking clean. It's time to put these on the car. Oh, it's tough. You guys can see, it came out pretty damn good to me. Ooh, I like it, bruh. These look so clean. What? That's crazy. All right, guys. So I'm gonna go meet up with my girlfriend for a little bit, and then when I get back home, I'm back the car in. We'll do the other side, get them painted, everything, and then I'm gonna go out tonight, probably get some clips of me driving, all type of different stuff. So just stay tuned. We'll be back. Hold on, we gotta get this angle. Bam! Oh my God. Jeez. So for the past few minutes, I've just been like cleaning up the tires, trying to dry them up nice before I really start to paint. And as you can see, it got hella dark, but we're still doing it. Now I need my little cards. I think they work better than tape, to be honest. Or at least it's faster. Okay guys, so right now I'm getting eaten by mosquitoes, so I just finished doing a whole bunch of coats to these. So I will either A, come back outside in a little bit with different clothes so I don't get bit up, or B, I will put this under the tent in case it rains or anything, and do this tomorrow morning because these mosquitoes are getting me mad. So we will see what happens. Peace. So guys, now it's a little bit later in the day. These tires came out amazing. I love the way that looks. We ended up taking off the blue lug nuts that I had to have the spikes on it. They ended up stripping really bad, so Grace ended up having the amazing idea of painting these white and then throwing them on here too. I was like, bet, they look amazing. All the way around. I'm excited for the future of this car. I'm so happy. I love the way everything turned out. So for now, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.